Hi students, welcome to our channel Max Plus U. I am your Max sir Subramanian. We are doing class 12 Max previous year CBSE board exam question children. We are doing integrals now. Already vector algebra 128 sums we have completed. Kindly check playlist available in the first comment and the description. And it will be useful na, kindly forward to your friends also. Now we are doing integrals children. Integrals la already one video have been posted, board exam question. Majorly now what we are covering now, board exam question which is not there in the NCERT book. So first now we are covering 7.10. Sir, 7.10 properties of definite integrals is very much important, you all know. So you can usually expect 1 3 mark from this exercise. So that exercise I have covered, sir. I have covered the book sum. I want to go for the board sums in that model. Now I have already posted the one video. Now is the second question in this model. That is 2024 question. This question is 2023 compartment. They have asked this question. Both are very much important. You can expect the same question in your board exams and Sagodaya like the school exams also. Now I equals to integral 0 to pi by 2 x sin x cos x by sin power 4x plus cos power 4x dx. We are using this property children, we all know. Integral 0 to a f of x dx equals to integral 0 to a f of a minus x dx. That property only we are using. Once we are applying, how we are applying, it's very simple. Wherever x is there, there a minus x. A is a pi by 2. So x place la substitute pi by 2, pi by 2 minus x. Then sine of, again x place la pi by 2 minus x, sine pi by 2 minus x, cos pi by 2 minus x, sine power 4 pi by 2 minus x, plus cos power 4 pi by 2 minus x. This step, any doubts is there, a check. Just we are substituting. Then what are we going to do? This pi by 2 minus x remains as it is. We all know sine 90 minus theta is cos theta. Then cos 90 minus theta sine theta. Okay. So that way we have sine pi by 2 minus x. You know pi by 2 is a radian, 90 degree, the degree measure. So sine 90 degree minus theta is cos. So sine pi by 2 minus x is cos x. Cos pi by 2 minus x is sin x. Same way sine power 4 pi by 2 minus x. Sine power 4 pi by 2 minus x is cos power 4x. Cos power 4 pi by 2 minus x is sine power 4x. Clear, check children. We are considering this as actually second equation. Already question we have considered as first equation. Now we want to consider this as second equation. Can you add both? If we are adding both, we will get I plus I equals to integral 0 to pi by 2 x sin x cos x plus pi by 2 minus x cos x sin x dx. Denominator is common children. Integral is common and dx, these all common. Inside we have added. Sir, pi by 2 minus x, it's like a distributive property is there. We want to multiply inside as na? Yes. Pi by 2 into cos x sin x. Then minus x into cos x sin x. So this is clear, kindly check. Once this is clear, we can remove plus x minus x equals to 0. Correct, children? Like that, x sin x cos x and minus x cos x sin x both are same. A into b equal to b into a, it becomes 0. We can't say the word cancellation, but it will become 0. You itself say plus x minus x, we won't say cancellation. We will say it's 0. So remove this plus x sin x cos x and minus x cos x sin x. Then balance what sir will be there now? Pi by 2 cos x sin x by cos power 4x plus sin power 4x. Did you understand, children? First we are multiplied this inside. Pi by 2 cos x sin x, then minus x cos x sin x. There the plus x sin x cos x and minus x cos x sin x both are same and it's removed. Like a minus a 0. Pi by 2 constant ma taken out and we got cos x sin x by cos power 4x plus sin power 4x dx. Children, when you seeing itself, you know, this cos power 4x, if we are dividing numerator and denominator, we have more chances of reducing. So that way, we are dividing numerator. This is the important thing, children. Nominal sum ko and this board sum, we have difference in it. So till this actually nominal work only we have done. Here only the changes are there. We have to remember, you should know about the dividing the numerator and denominator by cos power 4x, this is one of the way. So cos x sin x by cos power 4x, and cos power 4x plus sin power 4x by cos power 4x. So you know very well this cos x sin x by cos power 4x. This cos x and cos power 4x 1x, if you cancel now, you will get sin x by cos cube x, you will get. Am I correct, children? And here we can split cos power 4x by cos power 4x plus sin power 4x by cos power 4x. I think in denominator we can split like this. Can we go through, children? So what I have said that you have done, I check. So as I said that cos x and cos power 4x one cancel and you're getting 1 by cos cube x. And this sin x remains as it is. This cos power 4x by cos power 4x plus sin power 4x by cos power 4x. We have written, we have splitted and written. Then cos power 4x gets cancelled. Sin by cos is tan. So tan power 4x will be there. Then we are doing, as I said, the 1 by cos cube. We can able to write into 1 by cos x into 1 by cos square x. So 1 by cos x, you can write it as sin x by cos x. And the next one is 1 by cos square x. So cos power 4x gets cancelled and you're getting 1. Sin by cos, sin power 4x by cos power 4x is tan power 4x. Till this is clear, kindly check. So what and all we have done, cos power 4 removed and you got now cancelled. This is, we can say, cancellation, and you got cos power 4x 1 are cos power 4x 1, and sin by cos you can write it as tan power 4x. Then split sin x by cos x into 1 by cos square x. So sin by cos we can write it as tan x, children, and 1 by cos square x we can write it as secant square x, children. And tan power 4x we can take tan square x the whole square, like x power 4 we can write into x square the whole square. This is clear, check. Then we can try to go for the substitution method. We have taken tan square x as t, children. So tan square x differentiation. So you know x square differentiation is 2x. Like tan square x differentiation is 2 tan x. Then tan x differentiation is secant square x. Then t differentiation, you know, dt by dx. The division goes at multiplication. Simpler. Chain rule we applied tan x whole square. So tan square x at tan x the whole square you can write. The 2 comes this side. So 2 tan x. Super. Tan x differentiation secant square x. Again super. So 2 tan x secant square x dx you can write it. But here we have only tan x secant square x, children. For that the multiplication to come this side na division. Clear, check. So tan x secant square x dx is dt by 2. So x value is 0, children. Very important thing is when we are doing substitution method in definite integral, kindly remember to change the limit. Don't say I forgot to do like that. It's mandatory. How we are changing the x in terms of x, we are changing into t. Same way you should change the limit from x to t. Or how's it to change? X value 0 is there, no? Substitute in the t value. Tan square x place la pi by 2. But tan 90 degrees infinity. X is 0 na, tan square 0 0. X is 0 t 0 da, no change. But x pi by 2 when we are applying tan square pi by 2, we are getting it as infinity. Clear, check. Then next step when we substituting, it will be getting like 1 by 1 plus t square. Sir, how's our 1 by 1 plus t square comes na? You just see 1 by 1 plus tan square x is t square, t. Tan square x whole square, so t square. This step clear? Then tan x secant square x dx, this fully will be tan x secant square x will be dt by 2. This is clear, check, children. And the limit is 0 to infinity. Then here the 2 you keep out. So we will get pi by 2 into 1 by 2. Integral 0 to infinity 1 by 1 plus t square. So pi by 2 into 1 by 2 become pi by 4, children. Then We all know integral 1 by 1 plus x square dx is tan inverse of x plus c. But here definite integral, so no problem. It's a tan inverse of x. But here instead of x square, t square is there. So tan inverse of t. So you just want to substitute it. A very important thing is when you are integrating, so we should not, we have to remove the integral symbol and dt. So now apply the upper limit, tan inverse of infinity minus tan inverse of 0. When say tan la infinity will come, 90 degree, pi by 2, when tan la 0, 0. So 2y equals to pi by 4 into pi by 2. So 2y is pi, we can multiply inside pi square by 8. Then multiplication 2 comes inside division, children. So sir, this multiplication to last only we have to keep our front itself we can do. That's our wish. First itself also you can do it. So I is equal to pi square by 16. Kindly go through, children. If you have any doubts in this sum, kindly text me. And if you find this video is useful, forward to your 12th standard maths friends. Thank you.